Hi. Today I'm gonna tell you how you can build a new ASP.NET Core MV6 project here. So let's get started. Please subscribe me before and press the bell icon. So here I'll firstly go to open the Visual Studio. As you can see, Visual Studio. So from here, I have you. This is Visual Studio 2017. From here, I'm gonna go to the file. As you go to the file, you will go to new, and from here you can go to project. The shortcut for project is Control Shift N, but you can go from here directly. Project. As you click on project, a new window will be opened. As you will see here, it will take some time. So yeah, a new window open here, which is new project. So here, as you can see, there will be many options. Let me show you recent, all, installed, and all. But let me go here. From here, in my recent tab, there is ASP.NET Core Web Application. But you can see here, maybe in your tab, it will be on online. You can search it online. You can install it. But from here, it's in recent. From here, I can go to, yeah. Let me tell you, when you will install the Visual Studio, they will ask you what applications you will install. So from there, you can install the ASP.NET Core Web Application. Remember this. So I'm going to click on ASP.NET Core Web Application, and from here, they'll ask me for the name, location where my this project will be saved, and the solution name. I'm going to change my name to test project. Okay, so here will be the options: create directory. They will automatically create a directory and create a new git repository. I don't want that they create a new git repository, so I'm going to click on OK. As you click on OK, a new window will again be open. So they're going to create my project, that is test project. So new window will be open. From here, you will always select .NET framework. Remember this. Okay, and here you will select web application model view controller, because ASP.NET Core MVC6 is based on model view and controller. From here, I'll tell you one more thing. You have to click on change authentication, and you will select an individual user account. That means you will only have this authentication. Okay, so I'll click on OK, and I will click on OK here. So they will create my projects. So it will take some time, and let me just wait it. It will take a little time. So, so as you can see, my new test project is being created, and here is the Solution Explorer, and here is my test project overview they're giving you. Suppose if you cannot see your Solution Explorer, you can just go View, uh, and from there you can just click on the Solution Explorer, and from here you can also access your Solution Explorer if you cannot see it, but by default it is there. So I'll this is my test project. So this was my tutorial to how to build a new ASP.NET Core MV6. Please stay tuned and just subscribe me. Thank you.